Hello friends, this is the ninth video in the series of tutorials of Game Maker in which we are trying to make a game like Nuclear Throne. We're using the beta 2.3 version, so we'll be using some of its features. As far as now, this is the state of the game in which the player can move. It animates based on its movement. The enemy can move and shoot at the player, and it randomly moves. If you want to see anything about how I coded this, you can go into my previous videos of this series. We'll go further from here. So the first thing we'll implement is another movement of player, that is dash. So we'll create a state machine in the player, that is first of all it will be very similar to the state machine that we created in the enemy in the previous video. So what we'll do, we'll first create a normal walk state in which will be assigned as 0, and then dash state will be assigned as 1. We can create another idle state, but I don't think there is a need of doing that. So, and there will be a state counter. State is equal to walk is the default state, and idle and walk both are included in the walk state. And next we will be there will be a dash counter is equal to 0. So now there are two states, walk and dash. So all these things, even shooting and everything, will be useful if the move will anyway reset the move, because we may use it for the dash counter as well. But any other thing will be executed, all the inputs and everything will be valid only if we are in the walk state. So if state is equal to walk, so all these things will be executed. Otherwise even shooting will not be executed. The player can't shoot if it is in dash state. I don't have a different sprite for the dash state, but yes, I'll be using the same run sprite without the animation, with spread leg without the animation. So if state is equal to walk, else dash. So this is the dash state. So all these things will happen in the walk state, and like we have pulled the mouse button left, now we'll be pulling the mouse button right to take the dash input. So dash as a direction, dash dir, we will be basically creating another variable called is equal to 0, dash is equal to maybe the initial speed, dash friction is equal to okay. So we have to create another one which will be the initial speed, and dash speed. Dash friction is equal to I'll give it something like 0.2. So I guess we are good to go with all the dash variables. I'll just copy it here so that I don't have to come back to this page, and I'll then delete all the variables that are not required here. So what will happen once there is state is equal to dash, I'll dash for maybe 30 steps, and dash direction is equal to point x y mouse x and mouse y. So I'll be dashing so it will dash towards the mouse pointer. Which side mouse pointer is, that side only I'll be dashing, means the player will be dashing. And then dash speed initial, so this one we don't need, but we need to assign the dash speed as the dash speed initial. And dash friction, we don't need it here. So yes, these are the things that will set up once we press the right button. Else, so in the dash state, what we'll do, we'll first decrement the counter is equal to 0, sorry, minus minus, it will decrement it by 1. Decrement by 1, then dash speed will decrement dash speed by dash friction. If is smaller than equal to 0 or dash is smaller than equal to 0. If either of these variables is smaller than or equal to 0, then I will move to the walk state. Okay, so if either of the variables is smaller than equal to 0, I'll move back to the walk state is equal to walk. Okay, so I guess we are good to go. We'll just see if it is working. No, it is not. Okay, we are not applying the movement. So if we are dashing, first of all, whenever we are dashing, we will set the index to SPR player walk, and then we will set the image index to the second one, I guess. Yeah, this one. So it will dash like this. Okay, or maybe we'll create another one. It will be very immediate. I'll not be doing a lot of things. I'll just create a dash sprite here to make it look more fun. So this one I'll remove, and here I'll just pick this color, and then I'll omit the legs. And here this is basically the dash animation. Okay, So this is the dash animation, the dash frame. There is just one frame. You can create particle effects behind the player if you want, but right now I'm just happy with this. Maybe we can create a few particles, and yeah, so these are the particles that will randomly spawn at different places. Just play it and see. Okay, this is good enough. So this is the dash animation. I'll just sprite index is equal to SPR player dash, and then is equal to 0.5. I guess that will be fine, otherwise we can come back and tweak it anytime we want. And in walk we don't have to set the sprite index to anything, because once it is in walk it will either set the idle one or the walk one in the next step. So we don't need to set anything else here, but we have to apply the motion. So basically we'll be using the same function for applying motion here. If it is not going to the dash function, then if it is not going to the walk function, sorry, then it will be applying the movement, and the movement applied will be dash speed and dash TIR and dash speed and dash TIR, but this will be Y. So I guess this will create the dash functionality for us. We'll see. Yes, see, the player is dashing, and there is some jitter in the camera, and the reason of this is that we're not moving the camera with the player, so we have to put this code in this state as well. But what we'll do is we'll not put this code here, rather we'll put this code in the very beginning before both of the states, because the camera always has to follow the player. So I guess this is good enough now. So I'm right clicking and it's dashing. We can also implement a dash timer. See, whichever way my mouse is, whichever direction my mouse is, that side it is dashing. So this is a beautiful functionality, and while dashing it can't shoot, but after dashing it can shoot. So this is working perfectly fine. We'll just go and see what the enemies are doing. By the way, this is all for this video. Thanks guys, please like and subscribe the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.